Welcome back to Bitcoin Bulletin, where we break down the crypto news that matters. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of everything you need to know. First up, we're diving deep into the world of cloud mining, with IEByte leading the charge among the top 5 platforms for 2025. Then, hold on to your hats, because BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes is dropping some serious predictions about a Bitcoin bull market, extending all the way through 2026. Next, we're tackling those persistent myths about Bitcoin head-on, separating fact from fiction to reveal what Bitcoin truly is. And finally, we're looking at Riot Platforms and their impressive Bitcoin output surge in August. Is operational efficiency the key to long-term value? Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Cloud mining is revolutionizing crypto, and IEByte is at the forefront. Forget the massive upfront costs and technical headaches of traditional mining. Cloud mining platforms have surged in popularity because they let you rent hashing power, making Bitcoin and Dogecoin mining accessible to everyone. In 2025, this remains a top strategy for passive income, and IEByte is shining bright as a leader. IEByte stands out with its user-friendly contracts, reliable payouts, and absolutely zero hidden fees, making it simple to start earning. They're using state-of-the-art equipment from manufacturers like Antminer and Bitmain for maximum efficiency. Plus, this platform is legally established in Australia since 2015, authorized by the government, and boasts over 1 million global users. Its intuitive interface is perfect for beginners, and it supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies like BTC, Doge, and ETH for settlements. You get income every 24 hours, with your principal returned automatically. Backed by a professional IT team offering 24/7 support, IEByte offers a legitimate and global approach to passive crypto earnings. Users are buzzing about the ease of use and consistent returns, with many seeing it as a game changer for accessing digital asset income streams without the hardware hassle. But is this the only way to profit from Bitcoin's potential? Get ready, because Arthur Hayes has some bold predictions for Bitcoin's future price action. Patience is a virtue, especially for Bitcoin investors, according to BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes. Hayes is suggesting that the current choppy market conditions are just a brief pause before a massive Bitcoin bull run kicks off. He predicts that this powerful upward trend could potentially last well into 2026, suggesting a long-term bullish outlook for the cryptocurrency. This forecast implies that those who hold on through the current volatility could be rewarded handsomely in the coming years. Hayes's analysis provides a strategic perspective for investors navigating the often unpredictable crypto landscape, emphasizing the importance of a long-term vision. This outlook is generating significant discussion among traders and analysts, with many looking to Hayes's track record for validation of this optimistic scenario. But what exactly is Bitcoin, beyond the price charts and market trends? We're going to debunk the biggest myths surrounding Bitcoin and uncover its true nature. Bitcoin is shrouded in myths, but let's cut through the noise and understand its real value. Many perceive Bitcoin as just a speculative asset or even a scam, which clouds investor confidence and regulatory approaches. However, the reality is far more profound, stemming from its decentralized origins and unique economic principles. Forget the idea of a rug pull. Bitcoin emerged in 2009 from Satoshi Nakamoto's vision of a decentralized currency, detailed in a 2008 white paper, designed to bypass traditional financial intermediaries. Its value isn't tied to tangible assets or processing power like some believe. Instead, Bitcoin derives its worth from scarcity, decentralized trust, and powerful network effects, principles that are increasingly relevant in today's financial landscape. This understanding is crucial as businesses, even in places like Argentina facing high inflation, are exploring crypto payroll solutions using Bitcoin and stablecoins to hedge against currency devaluation. Clearing up these misconceptions is vital for boosting investor confidence, encouraging informed regulatory discussions, and paving the way for broader adoption. The narrative is shifting, with Bitcoin increasingly recognized as a store of value and an inflation hedge, essential for its integration into global payroll systems and mainstream finance. But as Bitcoin gains legitimacy, how are the companies actually mining it performing? We're diving into Riot Platforms' recent production surge and what it means for their long-term value. Riot Platforms is firing on all cylinders, ramping up its Bitcoin output in August. But is this operational efficiency truly driving long-term value? For shareholders of Riot Platforms, the core belief lies in Bitcoin's enduring growth and mainstream acceptance, coupled with Riot's own operational prowess. This recent spike in Bitcoin production is a positive sign for those focused on output, though it doesn't immediately solve the challenge of monetizing new data center capacity or securing major leases. The company recently boosted its credit facility to $200 million, enhancing its liquidity for crucial capital investments in mining and data center expansion. This financial flexibility is key, especially as competition and network difficulty intensify, potentially squeezing margins even with increased production. However, investors must remain keenly aware of the significant risks tied to Bitcoin's volatile price, which directly impacts Riot's earnings and profitability. Analysts project substantial revenue growth and a significant increase in earnings by 2028, with some estimates suggesting a considerable upside potential for the stock. The market is weighing Riot's impressive production numbers against the inherent volatility of Bitcoin prices and the company's strategic investments in expansion. That's all the news for today, but we've got a rapid-fire recap coming up. Don't go anywhere, we'll be right back with the full wrap-up and your chance to win. And that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. We covered the top 5 cloud mining platforms led by IEByte, heard Arthur Hayes predict a Bitcoin bull run through 2026, debunked myths about what Bitcoin truly is, and analyzed Riot Platforms' August production surge. If you found this information valuable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for more essential crypto insights, ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms to stay connected. Thanks for watching.